Are you looking to get started in crypto trading but don't know where to begin? With the right strategy, you can minimize risks and maximize profits. In this video, we'll break down the top 3 crypto trading strategies for beginners so you can start trading with confidence. Let's dive in. Dollar cost averaging DCA, the safe strategy. First up, we have dollar cost averaging, or DCA, a strategy that helps you invest without worrying about market volatility. How it works. Invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, for example, weekly or monthly. Helps reduce risk by averaging out the cost of your investments over time. Great for long-term investors who don't want to time the market. Example. Imagine you invest $100 in Bitcoin every month. Sometimes the price is high, sometimes low, but over time, your average cost balances out. Pros and cons. Easy for beginners. Reduces emotional trading. Takes patience. Not ideal for short-term gains. Segment 2. Swing trading. Catching market waves. Next, we have swing trading, a strategy for those who want to profit from short-term price movements without the stress of daily trading. How it works. Buy when the price is low and sell when it rises within days or weeks. Requires technical analysis, reading charts, trends, and indicators. Best for traders who can monitor the market regularly. Example, if Ethereum drops to $2,800 and you believe it will go up to $3,200 in a few days, you buy low and sell high. Pros and cons. Higher potential profits in a shorter time. Requires market knowledge and more time than DCA. Segment 3. Scalping. Fast and frequent gains. Finally, we have scalping, a strategy for traders who want quick, small profits multiple times a day. How it works. Focus on small price movements within minutes or hours. Uses high volume trades for quick profits. Works best with high liquidity cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Example, if Bitcoin moves from $50,000 to $50,100, a scalper might make a small but instant profit by trading multiple times. Pros and cons. Fast returns. Works well in volatile markets. High risk. Requires full-time attention and quick decision-making. Conclusion and call to action. So, which trading strategy suits you best? If you're a beginner, DCA is a great way to start safely. If you like short-term opportunities, swing trading might be your style. And if you're fast and experienced, scalping could be your game. Let me know in the comments which strategy you'd like to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto tips.